welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make these geometric pieces of art, these framed art pictures, and without further ado we're just going to jump right into it. So to start off, you need a picture frame, and I got my picture frame from Jumia here in Nigeria. And what you're going to do is you're going to open up the back of your frame, and then the cork board, which is basically the thing that has the stand, you're going to take that and then place it on some straw board or some hard card, or basically whatever you want to make your piece of art on. I use straw board, and that was also gotten here in Nigeria. Now once you've traced out the size of the corkboard, the back of your frame, you're just going to cut it out with a pair of scissors, and you basically now have the frame, the base for your piece of art. Next, you're going to take some acrylic paint. I use the Bad Human acrylic paint, and what you're going to do is you're going to take some white paint, and then you're just going to paint it all over your straw board or your card or whatever material you're using. But I really recommend you use something that's a bit thick and something that can hold the art. You don't want to use paper at all because it will just soak the paint and kind of tear. Now once you're done painting it completely white, you're going to leave it to dry. You're going to leave it to dry for about an hour, and then you're going to move to the next phase, which is basically covering up the areas that you want to remain white with some masking tape. Now there's no technique to doing this. You basically use your imagination and your creativity to decide what kind of art you want, and you can just place it in a random shape. Really, whatever you do will come out looking nice, to be honest. Then next, you take some gold spray paint. I got mine from Jumia as well, and you're just going to literally spray paint your card, your paper that you've covered up like I'm doing in the video, and you just spray paint it until you have complete coverage and the gold or whatever color spray paint you're using is as vibrant as you want it. Now this is another one that I created, which is just straight lines. You can do whatever shape or whatever pattern you want. It's really up to you. And yeah, once you're done with that, you're going to start peeling off your masking tape. I mean, you will leave the paint to dry, of course. You leave the paint to dry, and then once the spray paint is dry, you're just going to peel off your masking tape slowly, not fast, just in case the gold spray paint is not yet dry, and also so that you don't tear the straw board. But once that's done, insert it back into your frame, and your artwork is ready to grace your shelf, your wall, wherever you decide to place it. So yeah, it's easy peasy, guys. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'm also curious to know if you would actually try this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.